Hold on to your hats, folks, because Airbnb just hit a bit of turbulence. The hospitality giant saw its shares take a nosedive, plummeting nearly 16% in pre-market trading. Why the sudden drop? Well, it seems even Airbnb isn't immune to the economic anxieties gripping the globe. Their latest revenue forecast for the third quarter fell short of expectations, sparking concern among investors. The culprit? A cocktail of factors, but the main ingredient seems to be a slowdown in travel demand, particularly in the good old US of A. This isn't just a blip on Airbnb's radar, it's a sign of the times. The travel industry, after its post-pandemic resurgence, is facing some headwinds. Economic uncertainty and inflation are making travelers think twice about splurging on vacations. Airbnb's stumble is a reality check, reminding us that even giants can falter. Wallets, leaving less disposable income for luxuries like travel. When money's tight, that dream vacation gets downgraded to a staycation real quick. Secondly, there's a new trend emerging: shorter booking windows. Gone are the days of planning your summer holiday in January. Now people are booking trips closer to their travel dates, a telltale sign of caution in uncertain times. This last-minute booking behavior throws a wrench in Airbnb's forecasting model. It's harder to predict demand and adjust pricing accordingly. The result? Potential hits to revenue and profitability. Airbnb's woes aren't theirs alone. The company's weak forecast has sent ripples of anxiety through the entire online travel industry. It's like a canary in a coal mine, signaling potential turbulence ahead. Think of Airbnb as a bellwether for the sector. If they're feeling the heat, it's a safe bet that others like Booking.com and Expedia are in for a bumpy ride too. The travel industry, particularly the short-term rental market, thrives on discretionary spending. When the economy sneezes, travel catches a cold. Investors are watching closely, holding their breath to see if this is a temporary dip or a sign of a deeper downturn. The industry's recovery, it seems, is hanging by a thread, vulnerable to the whims of a fickle economy and jittery consumers. Don't count Airbnb out just yet. The company isn't taking this lying down. They're strapping on their problem-solving shoes and adapting to the new travel landscape. One strategy, appealing to the budget-conscious traveler. Airbnb is expanding its inventory, adding more affordable options to entice those feeling the pinch. Think cozy studios and budget-friendly shared spaces. They're also getting smarter with their platform, refining search filters and recommendations to help users find accommodations that fit their shrinking budgets. It's all about giving people what they want, even if what they want now is a steal of a deal. Despite the challenges, Airbnb remains optimistic. They're betting on the enduring human desire for exploration and connection. People will travel, they believe, even if it means adjusting their expectations and budgets. Economy. Investor jitters navigating the uncertain terrain. Airbnb's rollercoaster ride has left investors understandably jittery. The once soaring stock, a darling of the tech world, is suddenly looking vulnerable. So what's an investor to do? First off, don't panic. Knee-jerk reactions rarely end well in the stock market. Instead, take a deep breath and assess the situation rationally. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially in a volatile sector like travel. Spread your investments across different industries to mitigate risk. It's also crucial to stay informed. Keep your finger on the pulse of the travel industry, monitoring economic indicators and consumer sentiment. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to making sound investment decisions. The Airbnb story, a growth trajectory marred by challenges. Airbnb's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. The company, born from a couple of guys renting out air mattresses in their San Francisco apartment, has become a global hospitality behemoth. Their innovative platform, connecting travelers with unique accommodations worldwide, disrupted the traditional hotel industry. They tapped into a desire for authentic local experiences, offering a welcome alternative to cookie-cutter hotels. But Airbnb's path hasn't been without its bumps. They face criticism over safety concerns, regulatory hurdles, and the impact of short-term rentals on local communities. Despite these challenges, Airbnb's growth trajectory has been impressive. They've expanded their offerings, adding experiences and luxury rentals to cater to a wider audience. Their ability to innovate and adapt will be crucial for navigating the uncertain road ahead. Not so much. The psychology of inflation is fascinating. When people feel the pinch in their wallets, they become more cautious about spending. Discretionary expenses like travel and entertainment are the first to go. This shift in consumer behavior has significant implications for the travel industry. Companies like Airbnb must adapt, offering more affordable options and highlighting value for money propositions. It's all about appealing to the frugal traveler. The good news is that people's inherent desire to explore and experience new cultures remains strong. Travel might be on hold for some, but it's not gone for good. The industry just needs to adapt to the new reality of inflation-conscious consumers. The future of travel innovation and adaptation are key. The travel industry is at a crossroads. The pandemic, economic uncertainty, and changing consumer behavior have reshaped the landscape. So, what does the future hold for this dynamic sector? One thing's for sure, innovation and adaptation are key. Companies that can anticipate and respond to evolving traveler needs will thrive. Think personalized experiences, sustainable travel options, and seamless digital integration. Technology will play a crucial role in shaping the future of travel. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and blockchain technology have the potential to revolutionize the industry, from booking flights to enhancing on-the-ground experiences. The travel industry is resilient. It has weathered storms before and will undoubtedly weather this one too. The companies that embrace change, prioritize sustainability, and leverage technology will emerge stronger and ready to meet the evolving demands of the modern traveler. Keeping a long-term perspective, you can navigate market volatility and make sound investment decisions.